Of course, the first step in making this cocktail is gonna be brewing the tea. We're gonna use the natural Ceylon ginger tea. We're gonna add 25 milliliters, 2.5 centiliters. So the next ingredient is gonna be an Scotch whiskey. It's gonna balance the sweetness of the butterscotch liquor. Very little pinch of salt to this cocktail. 180 milliliters of tea. We're gonna stir and combine all the ingredients. We're gonna mix all together. To this cream, we're gonna add 3 drops of 1 vanilla extract, and we're gonna mix all together. We're gonna add the cream like this, and we're gonna cut a lime slice, and we're gonna add 4 cloves. Fire on these cloves. It's gonna release very heavy aroma of spices. Enjoy!